Welcome to our channel. Closing your Adobe account? Follow these steps to permanently delete your account and understand data implications. Step 1. Cancel all active subscriptions first. Visit account.adobe.com and cancel any Creative Cloud subscriptions. Step 2. Download your creative work. Save all files from Creative Cloud storage before deletion. Step 3. Visit Adobe account page. Go to account.adobe.com and sign in with your credentials. Step 4. Navigate to privacy settings. Look for account and security section in your profile. Step 5. Select close account option. Find this under privacy or account management section. Step 6. Review account closure information. Adobe explains what data is deleted and what's retained. Step 7. Confirm closure reason and proceed. Select why you're leaving and confirm account closure. Step 8. Check email for confirmation. Adobe sends confirmation that your account closure is being processed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.